Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be doing an unboxing video, and you guessed it, it's Farmasi. I got a huge, large Farmasi box in, and I can't wait to show you all of my new goodies. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe so you will be notified when I upload new videos. So I'm not going to waste any time today. We're going to jump right into it because I cannot wait to show you all the good stuff. Okay, you guys, so large box. It is full all the way to the top. So we're just going to start digging in and see what we can find. So this is the coffee. You guys, if you've been around, you know I absolutely love the chicory coffee. I drink it every morning. It is amazing. It has helped with my mood. It has helped with appetite control. Normally I drink at least 1 cup every day. I never eat breakfast. Some days I don't even eat lunch because of this coffee. It has helped so much. So many good benefits with that one. But we have a new one. This is the grain blend. It also has many wonderful benefits. I don't know if I want to alternate days or maybe put a teaspoon of this and a teaspoon of this in my coffee so I can get the benefits of both each day. I don't know. This one is more for digestive health, which if you've been following me over on Facebook and things, you know that I have been having a lot of gut health issues. And so I'm really excited to try this one. Also, for any of my pregnant ladies, chicory root is not suggested for you to drink while you are pregnant or nursing. So I am so super excited that we now have a grain blend that is safe. So always check with your doctor before you take anything new, drink anything new, especially when you're pregnant. But that is what's suggested. No chicory root for my pregnant ladies, okay? So try the grain blend. Next, we have the Intimate Care wipes. I've never tried these. This is a new purchase, so kind of excited to see what that's like. Then we have, this is also a new purchase. I have not tried the face I have not tried the face perfecting powders yet. This is going to be a shade 05, so I'm definitely going to use it more for contour and things. This is kind of a darker shade. So we have that. I normally use the BB powders and the translucent powder. Like, that's my favorite. But I really wanted to try the pressed powders as well. So we're going to try that out. I definitely repurchased Scentsy wipes. These are amazing for taking your makeup off. Like, I cannot tell you how many of these I've purchased. Almost every time I place an order, I purchase some of these. They're great. I got a new fluffy brush because I always need fluffy blending brushes for my eyeshadow because, let's face it, I don't like to wash my brushes out that often. So I'm always needing a new clean one. So I just bought one. It is what it is. I also, this is a repurchase, a new eyelash curler because I go through these things like crazy. And this is just a little freebie that they like to throw in. This is just a little pink stretchy bracelet, and it says Farmasi on one side and it says ask me about my makeup on the back. So super cute, super fun. They always love to throw little freebies in there. Then I got some 3D mascara. This is definitely also a repurchase. I love this stuff. I'm actually wearing it today. It's amazing. I like to wear it when I want false looking lashes without having to apply them because this mama ain't trying to apply falsies every day, okay? Then I got some matte liquid lipstick. This is in the shade 26. So let's see. Let's see what color this baby is. How pretty is that? How pretty. This is number 26. I want to say it's Dusty Rose for the name. I'm not positive. Such a pretty pink. There's still lots of goodies in here, you guys. I'm so excited. So I got some new Stay Matte. This is in the shade 03. This is more of like my fall winter color, so I went ahead and grabbed that while I was getting stuff. So when my tan starts to fade, you know, I can have some on hand. Oh, here's another fun little freebie. This is the little sticky thing that you put on the back of your phone that has a little ring. I don't know what they're called, but you can like stick your finger through the ring while you're holding your phone. Kind of like a pop socket, but it's the ring version instead. It says Farmasi, be well with our little logo. It's always fun to find little surprises like that. This is another bag of goodies. This is black eyeliner, dark blue eyeliner, dark blue pencil liner. These are the roll-up kind. These are the sharpenable kind. Sharpenable? Is that a word? I don't know. And then lots of Zen mascaras. These are actually customer orders, so we're not going to open them up. All of that. And there's the other pencil. I actually put this one in a box. I've never seen it come in a box, so that's fun. We'll stick that in there because that was part of the customer order. Samples. These, I did not order these. These are a fun freebie. I love getting samples. Then I've got the, let me see, the Age Reversus Night Mask. I have not used this. I use the Age Reversus eye cream all the time. I absolutely love it every night. So I'm excited to try the night mask and see if it works as good as eye cream. And I know it does because everybody raves about it. So I'm super excited to finally try it. And then I also got the Age Reversus tonic spray. So now I've got the almost the whole line. I'll have to look and see. We might have to do like a skincare routine video. See how that goes. Because I am repurchasing the gel cleanser. So I have that as well. The Age Reversus line is great if you have fine lines and wrinkles that you are trying to repair or prevent. So you're never too young for good skincare, ladies. Trust me. Next, this is something I am super excited about. This is our new to the summer. We have had it for like a month or so, but I just now got around to purchasing it. It is the coconut and vanilla. I got the whole set. This is the body wash. This is the hand lotion, and this is the body scrub. Can we take a second and just look at how nice our packaging is? Look, if you're a packaging person, look, you understand. These are so nice and sleek looking, and we're gonna go ahead and open this lotion up and just take a sniff because I love coconut and vanilla smells. So I'm super excited about this. I'm that weird person that kind of likes the smell of tannin lotion because I just love coconut. Yep, love it. If you like the smell of coconut, you are going to love this. Smells like summer. Oh my goodness, it is so good, and it's very creamy, not heavy, not thick, but very moisturizing, I guess you could say. Oh my goodness. Yes, smells like summer. That is so yummy. If you like coconut, vanilla smells, you need to grab this lotion. That is so good. And it's a huge bottle too. I was pretty surprised to see how big it was. And I will definitely be trying this body scrub tonight. Also, I went ahead and repurchased some of the sunscreen. This is SPF 50. I use this for my kids because I usually use the sun oil so I can get more of a tan, but I put this on my kids so we can block those UV rays. So it is UVA and UVB protection. It is for your face and body. And this is tested on sensitive skin, and it is water resistant. So if kids are swimming in the pool, whatever, you know they're going to be safe. And then the last thing in my box is, this is a repurchase. This is the dishwashing liquid. I cannot tell you how many bottles of this I've used. 2 or 3 of this, the normal scent, which is just called Free. And then I also went through a whole bottle of the Jupiter, Soft Jupiter or something. It was the Christmas scent that we had last year. I already went through a whole bottle of that as well. I only wash my dishes with this from now on. It smells so good and it gets your dishes so clean. And you can feel a little bit more confident about it because it is a lot safer for little guys. So you don't have to worry about your little ones. And I also use the multi-purpose cleaner of the Mr. Wipes brand as well to wipe. I clean everything with it. So that is all I have for you today. That is my huge summer haul. I'll probably do another huge haul this fall for fall items that I know we have some really good things coming out. We have a new formula for foundation coming out, and I'm going to be snagging that up. I'll probably do a review video on it, comparing our old VFX foundation to our new one and see if we can do like side by side, maybe, I don't know. So watch for that. But other than that, you guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. I'm also super happy to help you if you need color matching for any of our makeups, or if you need skincare help. I'm also willing to help with any skincare guidance if you need that as well. So just hit me up, let me know. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye guys.